to our fourth blog, Morphic Fields.
In our last blog, we talked about how modeling and mirror neurons help create and sustain our beliefs. In this blog, we're going to talk about how our beliefs and behaviors are sustained and reinforced through energetic fields called morphic fields.
Morphic fields include both form and behavior and have a built-in memory derived from previous forms that are similar.
Morphic fields are projected through a process called morphic resonance.
Morphic resonance contains memory that extends beyond time and space. Everything has its own field, and within each there are fields within fields.
These fields are invisible, non-material organizing principles that operate throughout our known universe.
Some morphic fields that you may already be familiar with are gravitational fields, electromagnetic fields, and cell phone or radio frequency fields.
Our bodies and minds have similar fields, as well as any particular society, culture, profession, religion, or common human experience.
These fields are inherited from past members of a species, or social activity, or even a thought pattern, such as a condition through morphic resonance. They act together in order to maintain and stabilize the continued existence of any field.
Another example of this is the collective unconscious, as described by Jung, which can actually be thought of as a collective instinctive memory. As human beings, we tune in to memories. Memories are transmitted through the culture of the group and communicated through the ritual reenactment of a founding story or myth.
The subject of morphic fields and morphic resonance is a very large and complex subject. But the key concept that we want to bring to your attention of morphic resonance is that similar things influence similar things across both space and time.
The amount of influence depends on the degree of similarity, with the most similar thing being the morphic field we create of ourselves. This also maintains constancy in self-resonating fields. The power of habitual patterns of behavior are a self-resonating process.
Consistent with this idea is that it takes a lot of effort to do something new or innovative for the first time.
The next time it becomes easier, and the next time even easier, until at some place it becomes commonplace and firmly anchored in the collective morphic field.
Morphic fields and morphic resonance are both expansive and limiting. When we step into a well-established morphic field, such as that created by a time-honored process, ritual, or ceremony, we are able to access information from the past and connect, in a way, with all those who participated in it before.
The past becomes the present through a resonance with those who have performed the same rituals before. This can deepen our understanding of ourselves and strengthen our conscious sense of connectedness with all beings.
On the other hand, when we step into a morphic field based on fear or uncertainty, such as a diagnosis of cancer, we must work hard not to engage in the negativity or prescribed effects of that field.
Fields can change and evolve. For those of us interested in getting beyond belief and making a positive contribution to the collective consciousness, we can know that when we do something that hasn't been done before, or when we overcome a significant challenge in our own lives, we make it easier for the next person to do the same thing. This may be the most important contribution anyone makes to society.
Knowing that morphic fields exist is a powerful tool in understanding where our beliefs come from and therefore help us to make changes we want to see in our life.
Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to seeing you again soon.